So guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Microsoft Recruitment Drive 2021 or Microsoft Off-Campus Drive. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the lateral hiring updates and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So here you can see we have uploaded minimum of 100 to 120 videos regarding latest off campus. So please go through our latest videos, especially Mintra, Intel and Cognizant, Deloitte are hiring for different job profiles with a very good salary package. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for these job roles as per your eligibility or as per your areas of interest before the job role gets expired. So now let's discuss about the job profile, then we'll be discussing about the eligibility and then we'll be discussing about the application process. So step by step we'll be discussing. So I'm requesting all of you to watch this video till the end for more details. So the Microsoft, this is the career portal of Microsoft.com. So they're hiring for the support engineer and it's only for the Hyderabad, Telangana location, India. So this job profile is for freshers or the fresh graduates as well as for the experienced candidates. So they have not specified any experience required or the limit of experience. So that means up to 2-3 years of experience professional can apply for this job role. So the job number they have provided, that means the job ID, travel 0 to 25% is required, role type individual contributor, and date posted is 6th January 2021. Profession is the services, employment type is the full-time employment. So salary you'll be getting minimum of 5 to 6 LPA. As per your experience you may get more than the average salary. So as per your experience or the interview performance the salary will be getting. So now let's discuss about the roles and the responsibilities. So all these things you can read out by yourself later once we share these things or the document with you all. So now let's discuss about the basic responsibilities or the roles or the duties. Scope a customer's issue by collecting the relevant facts and the investigate the problem by doing your own research and by involving other teams as needed. Consult and collaborate with your immediate peers or the colleagues around the world and with the management and engineering to resolve the service issues or the tickets, and act internally as a customer advocate. So these are the basic requirements or you can say the responsibilities you will be handling or doing. So now let's discuss about the main or the important thing, that is the qualification or the skills required for this job profile. So the qualification required is experience with one or more big data or analytic products and the services. So they have not provided any qualification or stream here. That means all the BE, BTech, BSc, MTech, ME, etc. candidates can apply for this job role, and the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical, and the IT background candidates can apply for this job role irrespective of their year of pass out or the batch. That means the current batch candidates can also apply for this job role. That means the 2021 batch can also apply for this job role. Again, I am repeating. So I am requesting all of you to please watch this video carefully so that your each and every doubt will get clear here itself. So Azure Data Factory experience, Hadoop, Spark or Hive, Azure, HD inside Azure, Databricks knowledge should be there. Then Cosmos DB, NoSQL services or the MongoDB. So these are the database technologies or the services you must be knowing at least one. Then data lake, cloud streaming technologies, open source ecosystems like Linux, Apache, etc. Developer experience with either Python, Scala or R. So experience with one or more customer support, product support or the technical support or the IT admin support experience or knowledge. So the fresh graduates or the fresher candidates might not having this experience because they are a fresher, but no worries, you must be having these skills. Obvious thing that they will be giving more preference to the experienced candidates, but if you have skills then no worries, freshers can also apply for this job role. Then programming and debugging experience must be there. Then experience in RDBMS such as Microsoft SQL Service, Microsoft BI technologies including SQL Server, etc. So these are the skills required here. So language qualification, English language, fluent in reading, writing and speaking. So it is common for, or you can say it is mandatory for every company, and it's a big MNC, so must be having good communication skill, because you will be communicating with the teams or the team members, oversee team members you will be communicating, so you must have good communication skill. So this is all about the eligibility. So if you want to apply for this job role, you need to click on the apply now button here. After that, you have to first register yourself in their official career portal. So after that, you will be able to apply for this job role. If you have already created a account in their official portal, then you need to attach your resume and provide some of the basic details like qualification, experience, etc. Then you will be able to apply for this job role. So this is all about the application process. So personal new or returning users need to sign in through their Microsoft account, sign in through Facebook or LinkedIn, or sign in with the Google. You can choose any of these options. So if you are an employee of Microsoft or LinkedIn employee, you can sign in here. So after signing in, you will be able to apply for this job role. It's a easy task. If you are facing any difficulties, you can comment your doubts or issues in the comment section below. We'll definitely try to solve your issues as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.